Sanju, you will take me on date on this bike.
On a bike?
It's our first date today and also Valentine's Day. And you got this bike to pick me.
So what if I brought a bike? Lovers also go on a foot with their partners. I've still brought a bike.
Oh, hello. That time is gone for so long when girls used to adjust. I am today's time girl. I have 100 options, one or another. And you got this junk bike for me. If I would have known that you're going to get this bike, I would have said yes to Sagar already.
Sagar?
Yes, Sagar also proposed me on Rose Day. But I thought you look good, you must be rich, so you are better option for me. But how would I know that because of better, I left best option?
So, according to you, rich people and the people with so many cars are the better and best options. You have nothing to do with a human being.
What me? All girls doesn't have to do anything.
You used to talk very nicely on the phone. Now that you are in front of me, you have suddenly changed, no?
This time I also would have done if you would have been so good. You got this bike. Do you know? In our society, the security guard brings this bike. Now you understand yourself? What are you for me?
I understood. That means we are not going on a date.
No, never. I will die single but won't go on a date with you. Let me do one thing. We'll call Sagar. Hello Sagar, where are you? Yes, I'm waiting for you outside of NATO. Yeah, come soon.
You replace your boyfriend so quickly. Should get an award. Swara, you are here and you called me suddenly. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. But you haven't wished me today?
Wish?
What is today?
Oh, it's Valentine's Day today. Swara, really?
Yes, really.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So tell me, where will you go on the date with me today?
Wherever you will say.
Okay then. Brother, move aside. Swara, come sit.
This is your bike?
Yes, it's my bike. Why? What happened?
Nothing. If it's his bike, so which is your bike?
None.
You doesn't even have a bike.
No.
You don't even have a bike with you and wanted to propose me.
I don't have a bike because I only have so much cars that I never needed a bike.
Cars.
Yes.
This is your car?
Yes.
So why you haven't told me? And why were you sitting on this bike?
I was sitting just like this. And if I had told you, then how would I have been seeing this face behind your face?
Look, Sanju, I'm so sorry. In anger, I said so much to you. And by the way, you also lied to me, na, that this bike is yours.
Yes, I lied.
So then, let's go on a date?
With you?
Yes, you don't want to go.
No. Never. Instead of going on a date with you, I would rather be single all my life. Swara, then shall we go on a date?
Hey, you get lost from here. Just came, you will take me on a date. You are taking a splendor with you. And what were you saying me? You will get stars and moon for me. Get lost from here. Idiot.